Welcome to Toy Time Collector. Today we have 5 Thomas and Friends mini blind bags to open. So let's get started. First, we have this one here. It's number 7. See what we have first here. Oh, we have a train, number 7 train. Oh, who's this? Let's take a look, see who it is. Here, let's take a look. Here, oh. Looks like we have a Toby here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Choo choo. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we have, who's this? Can somebody tell me who this one is here? Let's take a look. Let's see. Is this Dash? This looks like Dash. I'm not really sure right here. It looks like Dash. Can somebody tell me this is Dash? Let me know. Let's go to the next one. Oh, we got a little white train here. That's pretty cool. He has a red nose. That's interesting. Who's this person here? Let's take a look. Praxton. Looks like it's Praxton or Diesel. I'm not sure which one it is. If you guys could tell me which one. It looks like Praxton, but I could be wrong. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, we got Thomas the Train. Number 2 Thomas the Train. Yay! Wow. That's really nice. Let's go to the next one. And let's go to our final bag here. This one here is number 17, it says on there. Oh, we have Bill the Train here. Looks like little dots here, checker flag dots, and then there he has a SCC Bill here, which is pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment below.